Welcome back. Now, there was a tragic turn of events in Manipur a couple of days ago where an ambush by two banned organizations ended up in the murder of an army colonel and his wife and son, as well as four other Assam Rifles personnel. And this, in fact, took place at the Churachandpur district of Manipur. And since then, of course, there's been follow-up action that's been initiated by the army as well as the paramilitary in that part of Manipur, which is very close to the Myanmar border. And our reporter Arindam Das was in fact among the first reporters to reach that particular location. Let's listen into this very comprehensive ground report that's been sent by Arindam Das on the follow-up action being taken by the army and the paramilitary in the aftermath of that horrible tragedy.
We are at S. Sahken village in Churachandpur district of Manipur where the deadly ambush took place. This is the exact location where this deadly ambush took place. What we have come to know that the convoy of the Assam Rifles was first targeted with IED explosions. There were 5 IED explosions that took place in this location. This is the first spot where the first IED blast took place when the convoy was returning from Baihang towards Imphal. And as you can see right now, this place is wholly fortified with army personnel. The army personnel here are on search and combing operations, and as well as they are collecting evidence from the ground. You can see that this is the second location. This is the second blast location of the IED. So we have shown you the first location. So exactly 50 meters from the first blast site, the second blast took place here when the convoy was moving. And after that, there was another IED explosion at this place. You can see right now the army personnel are collecting evidence from this location. They are collecting splinters and what type of explosives were used in this IED explosion. So this technical team of the army are right now collecting evidence from this location. And as you can see that we have been told that 5 such blasts took place when the convoy was coming from Baihang and moving towards Imphal. This is the another location where another deadly blast IED explosion took place. And after that, the convoy still managed to move ahead when they faced with heavy firing from both the sides. This area is very remote, covered with thick jungles. There are mountains all around, and as you can see, this is a very remote location. There is no telephone or internet connectivity in this location. This is the vehicle of the commandant, and this was the first vehicle to be targeted. And as you can see that the window shields and everything is shattered in this vehicle. The bullet marks are clearly visible. You can see the type of indiscriminate firing or the type of sophisticated weapons that the militants have used in this deadly ambush. Right now, a massive deployment has been made in this area jointly by the Manipur Police as well as Assam Rifles. And as you can see, a massive search and combing operation has been launched in this area by the Manipur Police as well as Assam Rifles. You can see that this area is thickly jungle, and it's a mountainous remote location in Churachandpur district of Manipur. Right now you can see another vehicle. This is was a part of the Kiwati team which also came under heavy firing. Initially they were targeted with 5 IED explosions, and after that there was heavy firing by the militants from both the sides of this road. This was the pilot car, and after managing to cross 5 IED explosions, the vehicles managed to reach this location. You can see drones are being used to scan the jungles and the hills around, because this is a very remote location in Churachandpur district of Manipur, near the international border with Myanmar. And as you can see, the drones are being used to scan the jungles to find out the presence of militants in this area, as well as to collect evidence about this deadly ambush. There are some still bombs in this area. This is a Lethod, which we have been told by the army sources that this is an unexploded Lethod bomb which is lying here at this location, and it might explode anytime. So right now this is one of the Lethod bombs which remain unexploded at this location, which was used during this ambush. And this is the route which we have been told that the militants, after carrying out the ambush, managed to escape. This is a downhill route through thick jungles. This is a very remote location in Churachandpur district of Manipur, and after carrying out this ambush, we have been told that the militants have fled from this route towards Myanmar border. Reporting from Ground Zero with Pradeep Kolita, this is Arindam Das for Times Now.